Are you interested in work from home remote job where you're not required to have a lot of experience or any particular or any specific qualification? Hi everyone, if you're interested in getting remote jobs or work from home opportunities, in this channel I used to provide information related to different job leads for different profiles. You can earn money from home processing medical claims and invoices. Here is a great opportunity for people looking for full-time remote opportunity in the field of medical billing. If you have 1 year of experience in medical billing, you will be a preferred candidate and you must have high school diploma or equivalent degree. This is a full-time remote opportunity with Crew Bloom and the profile's name is Medical Biller. The company is looking for a medical biller to join one of its healthcare client. Here, the ideal candidate will be responsible for accurately and efficiently processing medical claims and invoices, ensuring timely reimbursement from insurance companies and patients. The medical biller will work closely with healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients to resolve billing discrepancies and ensure compliance with regulatory equipments. This is 100% work from home opportunity. As a medical biller, you will be preparing and submitting accurate medical claims to insurance companies, Medicare and Medicaid for reimbursements. You will be generating and sending invoices to patients for services rendered, following up on outstanding balances and resolving billing discrepancies. You will be dealing with insurance companies for medical claims, and also for you will be sending invoices to patients. Here, uh, you need to you need to verify patients' insurance coverage and eligibility, ensuring all necessary authorizations and referrals are obtained before services being rendered. Here, you need to assign appropriate medical codes to diagnosis and procedures for billing purposes, ensuring compliance with coding guidelines and regulations. So, you should be aware of these medical codes. And here, you will be recording and reconciling payments received from insurance companies and patients, applying them to the appropriate accounts in the billing system. You need to investigate and appeal claim denials and rejections, identifying and addressing root causes to prevent future issues. You need to communicate with patients regarding billing queries, payments plans, and financial assistance options, providing excellent customer service while resolving concerns. Additionally, you will be maintaining accurate and up-to-date records of billing activities, including claim submissions, payments, and correspondence with insurance companies and patients. You need to adhere to all relevant healthcare regulations, including HIPAA and billing compliance guidelines, to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of patient information. You will be working with the healthcare team, and you need to make sure that all the medical claims are settled and invoices are being processed. You need to document everything properly. So everything is related to medical billing processes, like um, invoicing and process claims, etc. The company has not asked for much of the qualifications. Only a high school diploma or equivalent will work. Additional medical billing and coding certification is preferred. So if you have that, you will be a preferred candidate. In addition to that, if you have 1 year of experience in medical billing, preferably in a healthcare setting, you will be a preferred candidate. And you should be proficient in medical terminology, billing software, and insurance claim processing procedures. Apart from these, the company has mentioned skills like strong attention to detail, excellent organizational and time management skills, and the ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment, effective verbal and written communication skills, with the ability to interact professionally with patients, providers, and insurance representatives. And also, you should have demonstrated ability to analyze billing issues, identify solutions, and implement process improvements to optimize revenue cycle management. You should be able to collaborate with colleagues across departments to resolve billing related issues and achieve organizational goals. You should have at least 15 Mbps for main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup internet. And you should have a desktop or laptop with an i5 processor and at least 8 GB RAM and an IT processor for backup. Your backup should still be able to function when there is a power interruption. You should have a webcam, a noise cancelling USB headset, and you should have a quiet dedicated home office so that you can work smoothly. The company's name is NextRep, and this is the company's website. Here you will be working as customer care agents. So as a customer care agent, you will be matched with one of the several leading American companies or fast-growing brands. Depending on the client, you will be expected to assist customers in one or several of these areas. Areas where you can expect supporting your customers. So here, tier one and tier two customer care, back office support, customer escalation support, white glove customer care, appointment setting, in customer product services, business concierge services, and you can also expect working as personal concierge services. You can also expect working with help desk services, travel booking support, delivery support, transactional services, sales support, roadside support, dispatch services, or virtual receptionist and answering services. So these are all kind of customer support related jobs or areas where you can expect working as a customer care agent. If you already have some sort of customer care related experience, you can apply for these kind of jobs. Here are the channels that you can expect using as a customer care agent. So you can use like phone calls or chat and email support or text support or social media platforms to interact with your customers and support them or help them. Who are successful in customer care are mainly and they are mainly self-motivated, passionate about helping customers, empathetic listeners, strong multitaskers, determined problem solvers, and good researchers, strong communicators, and comfortable working on a computer. This is a flexible opportunity, so you will have the freedom to decide how much you wish to work. You can maximize your earning potential since you set your own schedule. So I think this is a great opportunity for people who have already been working into customer care or customer support related kind of jobs.
Easy work from home opportunity, and where you will be working as an executive assistant. And here the company has asked for 2+ years of experience in an administrative role as an executive assistant. And here you will be answering here your work will be involving like answering phone calls and confirming meetings and scheduling appointments, etc. So this is an easy work from home opportunity for people who are looking for full-time uh, full-time work from home positions. And here uh, you will have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection and and a laptop or a desktop. The company is hiring for an executive assistant to support and empower the C-level team and manage their social media channels. And you will be a perfect fit for this position if you have solid communication skills, meticulous attention to detail, and you take initiative to learn new things and solve problems. So, as an executive assistant, you will be answering phone calls, confirming meetings, and scheduling appointments. You will be communicating and speaking with your executives clients to obtain pertinent data to prepare legal documents via phone calls and emails. You need to confirm meetings and schedule and communicate with the leaders upon completion and progress of appointments. You need to manage and maintain calendars and appointments. So you will be acting as an assistant to your executive uh, or the person you are assisting to. You will be handling administrative tasks such as filing, saving, scanning, photocopying, and mailing to the extent and unable to make phone calls. You need to complete word processing tasks, research and organize data. You need to maintain and manage contacts. You need to create documents, prepare legal retainers, email retainers for review and signing, monitor for signed retainers and fees or costs paid. You will be doing all these tasks to help your executive. And here you will be maintaining professionalism and strict confidentiality with all materials and exercise discretion when interfacing with the business. You will be managing social media channels and communicating with clients relating to relevant concerns and insights. This is a kind of role where you will be assisting your executive in different manner. You will be basically helping the person to manage all their tasks, to manage their phone calls and emails, and scheduling their appointments, or you will be handling their social media channels and answering their customers, etc. And so you will be handling things on behalf of your executive assistant. The company has asked for someone with at least 2 years of solid experience in an administrative role as an executive assistant. So you will be a preferred candidate if you already have some experience in executive assistant role, or like a personal secretary kind of role. And you should have QuickBooks knowledge. You should be familiar with social media platforms. You should be proficient with the Microsoft Office tools such as Word and Excel. You should be able to maintain regular and punctual attendance. You should be able to multitask, problem solve. You should be able to multitask, problem solver, quickly adapt, and be process oriented with the high attention to detail and capable of adapting quickly to a changing environment. Okay, so they have asked for someone who can adapt well to these kind of tasks and can do multitasking, because as an assistant you require to handle multiple tasks at one time. So you should also have strong verbal and written communication skills, including the ability to effectively facilitate and adjust communication styles to the audience. You should have, okay, strong time management skills, and you should be able to navigate between multiple windows or browsers with ease, perform extensive internet research, and type fast. You should be able to quickly learn new software and systems. You should be able to enter data into a computer quickly and accurately. You should have proper work from home setup with at least 15 Mbps for the main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup. You should have a desktop or laptop that has an i5 processor with at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. And backup should still be able to function when there's a power interruption. You should have a webcam, noise cancelling USB headset. Uh, okay, you should also have a smartphone and a quiet dedicated home office. This is a remote work from home opportunity. You will have the flexibility to work from home or
The company's name is Aircall, and the company is hiring for remote work from home opportunity. And here you will be working at weekends. Here you will be getting 2 weekly offs between Monday to Friday. Only a little experience in customer support will work. This is a job opportunity, and the profile's name is customer support specialist, early morning shift and weekends, remote. So here you will be working full-time remote. This position requires permanent location and legal residency in India. So people from India can apply for the job. And here, this is about the working schedule. And so here you will be working at weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. And your 2 weekly resting days will be planned for weekdays from Monday to Friday. So you can take any day or any 2 days off between Monday to Friday. And your working hours will be scheduled for evening shifts. You will be working from 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. afternoon or evening shifts. Whereas for morning shifts, you will be working in a period of the day from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. depending on winter or summertime, 8 hours of active workday with 1 hour lunch break during the shift. So for the role of customer support specialist, the company has asked for someone with around 1 year of experience in a SaaS or B2B customer support role or transferable experience or skills. And you should be fluent in English language. Other languages such as Spanish or French are a plus. And excellent written and verbal communication skills is required. You should be familiar with ticketing tools and systems. You should have understanding of how CRM systems work, and a strong understanding of basic computer skills is required. Technical aptitude is desirable, such as for example, you should be able to understand and explain technical concepts to customers and other internal stakeholders. Should be able to multitask across different platforms and forms of communication. Although the company has not mentioned the salaries, you can expect a salary range of uh, up to 16 to 17 lakhs per annum for the role of customer support expert. So, as a customer support specialist at Aircall, you will work closely with their clients to identify, solve, escalate to advise them on their questions and concerns. Their customers are people, not accounts, and day to day, your interactions with Your interactions with their customers directly impact their ability to run their teams efficiently, and you serve as their advocate at air call. You need to do teamwork. You can expect a great deal of support, transparency, and collaboration on a daily basis. There is an amazing opportunity to learn from some of the best people in the industry. You will be working with a global team of ambitious, passionate, and dedicated professionals, all here to work towards a common goal. So you will be working as a part of a team and growth opportunities. So frontline support is a front row seat at all things in ear call. Members of our team have successfully transitioned to client service or onboarding, CSM, etc., engineering, product, and various other roles within the organization. You will have the great opportunities for growth and learning. Ear call strongly encourages learning opportunities for teammates in an effort to develop individual careers and simultaneously support their clients. Here you will be working as a customer support specialist remotely. And if this opportunity interests you, you can apply. Thank you for listening.